morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am doing day 6 of Junk Journal July 2024. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you looking at my work. So today today's prompt is nature, and I'm going to do it sort of like a glue book style again. And so far this is what I have. I also might put some stickers on top or some words on top. And so the first thing I'm going to start doing is gluing my papers down, my images down. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and strong and safe. So we're going to put this one down first. I love going into the woods and looking up at the trees. So that's what that's all about. Yesterday we discovered a new kind of, sort of looks like a ladybug, but it had white spots, which was unusual. Never saw that before. So I forgot to look it up though. I have to go look it up and see what it might be. Try to identify it. It was on our milkweed. We have a little milkweed patch in our front, by our front deck, our front porch, and it was there on the milkweed. Maybe it's some kind of milkweed bug. Who knows? But I need to get everything covered. I don't like to see spaces behind, like in between the pictures. So I think we're going to put that like that. Yeah. I never get things back exactly the way I think they were going to go, and then I have to cut more images. This, I think we'll put, I wonder if I could cut that off a little bit, because I don't want to cut this off. If I cut off this much, like, maybe I will find another image to use. We've got a bluebird here. That's going to cut everything off too. So now I'm kind of, I still have, what was it going to do? I think I need to find another image, or maybe I should just cut this one. I think I could just cut it right here. Still get the impression that it's out in the wilderness, outside in nature. Okay. Let's cut that off. And there's the avalanche again. Let's see. I don't want to cut too much off at first, in case I made a mistake. Just a teensy bit more. I think we'll live with it like this. That's what I think. Or should I? Maybe. No, I don't. I think I better leave well enough alone. Let's put this down. Okay. I have some really neat, like nature glue books, but they're just too big for this little page, so I decided not to use them. And then I think we were going to do something like this, and this somehow was going to go here. Now I'm confused. Maybe I should put this here. This is too much yellow, though. I have a little robin, but then there's, too stuff behind him. Oh, here we go. Let's see what this is. We could do something like that, and I don't know. Maybe not. What about this and this? That looks okay. But then I have to figure out down here we could put that there. And I guess we could put this here. But then what do I do here? I think we should just go ahead and put glue right all over this. See, I told you nothing would fit back the way I had planned for it to. Okay, so we were putting him here. There's where he goes. And was it this way? I don't know. Now I'm like, maybe I should just put it like that. There, that's there. What if I put a bird, this bird here, and then put this here? No, I don't like that. I can't put a circle down until I know what's going to be there. And I have a feeling I'm going to be zipping through this. Will this work? I think that would look okay. Move it over just a teensy bit. I'm going to put this here, just like that. But I can't yet because I need to figure out what I'm putting here. And I could now maybe do that. I think that's what I'm going to do. Even though it's quite a bit of yellow. Even though. Okay. Let's put that like this. And then we can put this back right there. Needs more glue. Actually, let's just do this. And I think we could cover up one little bird there. There, that looks pretty. You just have to cut this off. Well, it's pretty in my opinion. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but it's mine. It's my cup of tea. Okay, looks like I need to cut some of this off too. Yeah. Guess I didn't trim that quite right. Let's see. There, I guess this is going to have to come off. Okay. So there we got that. Let's just see if I can glue this down better. It's like in the crease. And now I need to look for some words. And I'll be back. So I found a few little things to put on here. Little phrases and words. Breathing space. I mean, when you go out in the woods like that, you can breathe a big sigh of relief and contentment. So I thought that would be really cool to put right over these numbers here and underneath the trees. The guy in the trees. Then dance with life. Bees, we know, dance to show all the other bees where they're finding their food. So we're going to put that right with the bees. Maybe a little lower because we want to see that bee. And I also found days worth celebrating, leading the way, paradise and delicate. I was going to put leading the way up here, but I don't think I'm even going to use that one anymore. But I am going to put paradise maybe right down here. I'm gonna cut it much smaller though. I don't want to take up too much of the picture space. So that's gonna go here. And our weather can't decide if it's going to get cloudy and rain or be nice. Delicate. I thought, you know, a flower is delicate. So I think I'm going to just kind of put this here because the birds and the flowers are delicate. And I do want to put days worth celebrating somewhere, but, or even just worth celebrating. But I don't think I have the space. Oh, there was also feeling rejuvenated, but it's too big. If I could find one more little piece to put here or here, it would be nice. But I have a lot of words here. Celebrate. Maybe I could just put celebrate on there. It's a little bit too big. Well, I'm going to keep that out. See if I can find anything else. If not, I will put celebrate on there. But you see, I have so many words leading the way. That's the one I just put in there. Big hot mess? No. Good for them, good for you. Stay connected. That would be cool if it said stay connected with nature. New blooms. Too big though. More choices. I'm trying to find sun seekers. How about sun seekers? Flowers are sun seekers, right? Where do I want to put it though? Right here? I feel like I want to put it right here, but then it's right under that one. I'm going to look through this some more and be back. This little tiny ray of sunshine, and I'm going to put that on there, and I think it will be perfect after that. We'll see. My daughter and grandchildren and her husband are moving tomorrow, 3.5 hours away or 4 hours away, something like that. And they're going to come by and stop and visit today. I'm going to put ray of sunshine right there because I'm sure that the singing of that little bird is just a little ray of sunshine. So we'll put that there. And I wonder if I have some bird stickers. Maybe I could put one somewhere, like, but I would have to cut off all that white stuff because I don't like the white borders. I don't know. I don't really like that either, actually. So I think he's cute. Oh, maybe I could find some nature little squares that I've cut out that I can put on there. Like, here's a wolf. We could put a little wolf here. Maybe. What else have we got? See, we have raccoons. Oh, a little deer. I think I like the deer too. I don't know. I don't know if that looks too... I think it's too much. I think it's too much. I think we'll skip that. And this would have been a cute one to just put on here, though, wouldn't it? I could have put it like right here. Maybe I'll cover up. I'm going to cover up those birds, and I'm going to put that little deer right there, because I think it's too cute not to put it there. So that's going right there. Maybe I will cut this back part of him off a little bit. There. That's going right there. Okay. Alright, we are done. We are officially done. I am not doing anything else to this page. Uh-oh, I'm glued to the page. Oh, shoot. I forgot there was a sticky stuff on that side. I'll have to glue this down. Luckily, that was a page that we're not even using. So, there we go. My, oh, I need my number too. My prompt number 6, nature. So I need to get, I think I'll use a green page, or green paper for nature, for my nature circle. Okay. Number 6. I always make a mess. It never fails. No matter how simple I think my layout is going to be, I always make a mess. And now I'm going to have to figure out where to put this so I don't cover up too much of what I want to see. There's number 6. Actually, why don't I cover up this number right there? That would be perfect. Let's do that. Actually wondering if I want to ink the edge of this a little bit. See how that would look. I haven't done that yet. Let's see. There we go. Okay, now we really are officially done. Whoops, we need to turn that way. Number 6. My glue book page of nature. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time, day number 7 for window. I will have to think about that one. See you next time. Bye-bye.